everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Tuesday! Andito kami ngayon sa second PD appointment ni Baby Zelda. So 1 hour away to sa amin. 11:15 yung aming appointment and it's currently 11:07. So medyo napaaga kami. And si Baby Zeta. Zeta! Say hi! Say hello!
Okay.
Oopsie!
Okay.
Oopsie!
Where the fuck did this baseball come from?
I don't know.
This looks like something my mother would do.
Oopsie.
Okay.
Oopsie.
Okay.
Oopsie.
Okay.
Oopsie.
Okay.
Oops. You stop like this. So, done na kami guys sa check-up or sa second PD appointment ni Baby Zelda. Sobrang bilis lang. Siguro wala pang 10 minutes. Chinek lang yung weight niya and okay naman yung kanyang weight. Umakyat na siya kumpara nung last week. So, 1 week lang yung interval. Yung kanyang third appointment will be pagka 1 month old na siya. Pero pina-adjust namin kasi meron kaming plans sa August dahil yun yung birthday month ng aking mister. So tumigil kami dito sa isang pizza place. Ipipick up lang ni mister yung in-order niya online na pizza and then pupunta kami somewhere. Pakita namin sa inyo. Medyo kakaiba itong gagawin namin with our newborn Baby Zelda and the ate Baby Zeta. So, ayan. Tas kanina, bago kami pumasok dun sa clinic, poop ito si Baby Zelda and kumalat siya kasi nung tinatanggal ko na yung TMI, no? Pero ganun talaga pagka may newborn. Nung tinatanggal ko na, nag-poop siya ulit. So, napuno ng poop yung damit niya at saka yung socks niya. Buti na lang talaga may dala akong extra damit. Umiiyak siya. Ayaw niya nang nakahinto ang sasakyan. Gusto niya umaandar lang. Tapos ayun, so pinalitan namin siya ng damit. Ang cute pa naman nung outfit niya ngayon. Yung extra damit na dinala ko is yun lang pang niya, pang bahay. Binilan ko ulit siya ng mga damit. Wala yung naaano kasi ako. Parang pag nag-browse ako sa Shein, sobrang daming mga cute. Ayun, napabili ulit ako. Pero okay lang yun para naman kay baby. Si Zeta naman kasi ang dami na nitong damit. So sa ngayon si Baby Zelda yung binibilhan ko ng mga damit. So ako na yung nagbibili ng mga damit nitong dalawa. Pero minsan si Mr. bumibili din siya. Para hindi na dagdag gastusin para kay Mr. So anyway, antay lang namin ang aking husband and then after that we're gonna go somewhere to eat that pizza. It's 12:10 ng tanghali. So, andito kami ngayon sa sementeryo. St. Mary's daw ito. St. Mary's Cemetery sa Coventry. Magpiknik kami dito. Diba? Hindi normal. Nagpiknik sa sa sementeryo. Si Zeta. Tawa ng tawa. Si Zelda natutulog sa kanyang car seat. Yung itsura ng sementeryo nila dito. Pero iba-iba yung itsura. Yung last time naman na pinuntahan namin, alam ko nilagay ko yun sa vlog, pero last year pa, siya nasa hill. Yun maganda talaga. Ganda yung view. Ito kasi nasa flat siya, parang sementeryo lang din sa atin. bago. Ano naman na siya, na-feed ko na siya. May naglulon. Nagbabaw ng lawn dito sa may kabila ng sementeryo. Tapos yung dalawa, ayan, naglalakad-lakad sila. Ako binabantayan ko si Zelda. Ginawang playground at park itong sementeryo. Pwede ba Memorial Park? So park din siya. Wow, yummy!
You want the whole thing? You eat a big bite of pizza?
Is that yummy? Yummy!
Do you want a black olive? Isn't that cool?
Are you happy?
I wonder if she would ever stop eating. We ran out. It's all gone.
Hindi kasi ito kumakain si Zayda ng pizza, pero ngayon siya. Kumain na. Gusto niya. Dad,
With Zelda.
Zelda.
Are you gonna eat this?
Just half. So, doon na kami kumain doon sa may sementeryo. Tapos, meron sila ditong outdoor movie place. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Tapos, meron ding flea market. Ayan, flea market, Sundays, indoor and outdoor. Tapos, ayun, outdoor cinema. So, yung dito ka lang sa loob ng car, manunood. Plano namin ni Mr. o gusto ni Mr. panoorin tong Jurassic Wild 4 tsaka Megan 2. Kaso pinag-iisipan pa dahil nga meron kaming newborn. Yung aking mom-in-law ngayon ay nasa New York na naman siya. Doon kasi yung aking sister-in-law. So medyo matagal siya doon. Parang Saturday pa ata siya babalik. So, nakauwi na kami guys dito sa bahay. Si Zelda, tulog siya kanina.
Hi.
So, nagising. Hi. Hello. Say hello everyone.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
What level 4 here is, you better be inclusive or else. Level 6, bell curve, a big in that
Say hello everyone. What is this?
Hi.
What is this?
Water.
Water.
They want everyone to be on the same level.
I love you.
People have different abilities. They say, no, we need to get them more
I
help.
they can't see you. You gonna drink water?
Doesn't help people grow. It
Water.
what he wants. These are girl Steves. They're Stephanies. If you include what they don't want, it's going to cause problems. Steve does not need inclusion. He needs to figure out that other people think it's cool. If he never does, then he can't come into the house. Someone said, okay, smoke, but compromise. Why do you not like smoke? Smoke, you're lucky to have a house. Maybe you should make Steve feel more welcome. Does that make you feel more inclusive or less? And do you understand how that would prevent Steve from ever growing up? Well, that's what all this garbage is about. They're telling you where you belong, because it's not up to you. She decided where you belong, and in some places, it's fine to disagree.
The baby is so
All this
pretty.
garbage is about. They're telling you where you belong, because it's not up to
Are you pretty?
She decided.
You pretty?
So even though this is a
Pretty
relatively
cool.
Wow.
still trying to
Dance, dance nga ikaw. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Ay, the babies love this crying. Dance, dance, dance.
let's say a Christian, you would say everyone
Go!
is the one
Cool.
Thank you. Dance, dance, dance. Ay, nako, baby. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. And if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support and see you again next time. Bye!